Hello everyone. The suspended public protector, Mkhwebane's legal team, said that Friday effectively marked the end of the road for it, as her office had indicated on March 1 it will no longer pay her legal fees after March 31. Dalimpofu said to the committee conducting a Section 194 inquiry, "We had hoped between March 1 and now there will be some miracle which will resolve the impasse caused by the letter of the acting public protector, Advocate Koleka Gcaleka, that they would no longer be able to fund her legal team." Mpofu said Mkhwebane had not been able to give her legal team further instructions to continue beyond this point. He said, "Our instructions are terminated," and it became clear that Mkhwebane would not be able to give the team instructions. It could not say no to other work. However, Committee Chairperson Kobudili Kyanki said he hoped a solution to the funding problem would be found at the weekend. He said, "We are going to leave this meeting, Public Protector, with the understanding and in the light of what I had indicated. There has to be urgent mitigating measures to deal with the risk that you have. We will be back here on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday to conclude the part with the legal team, and thereafter get to the evidence leaders and the members." Mpofu said the issue was about the public protector's entitlement to legal representation, which he said was determined by the Constitutional Court after a long battle. Mpofu then said everyone also accepts that in the suspension letter sent by President on June 9, 2022, it's clearly indicated there that the public protector will continue to be entitled to whatever benefits she was entitled to. So is the presidential minute to effect that illegal suspension. Mkhwebane said she did not bring herself before the committee and was participating under protest. She said she would ask Kyanki to attend the hearings virtually but would not be able to say anything before the committee because she would not have legal representation, and said, "I think Advocate Gcaleka and Public Protector CEO Ms. Thandi Sibanyoni just need to assist this process. Forget about what they are being told or how they deal with this particular issue, and avail the resources." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.